Alright, hey guys and gals, today I'm doing a review on the MulWark wire stripper crimping cutter pliers tool. Model number MLK53740, purchased at Walmart. Got a 12 gauge wire and we'll strip it. It's a solid wire. Does a good job. This tool does have a lifetime guarantee. It will strip solid wire from 12 to 24 gauge, stranded wire from 10 to 22 gauge. Other features, it will crimp insulated and non-insulated wire terminals. It also will cut screws. I haven't tried it on any type of electrical screw. The tool's drop forged, heat treated steel with baked on black enamel finish, and I like it because it's a good value for the money and it does work. It's also here on the end you have get it on the camera, pliers. So the only thing I really don't like about it is the grips. They're not all that comfortable and they really slide around. At least the pair I got here. That one's not as bad, but I still want to slide around. Anyway, this is the MulWark wire strippers.